So hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Hair Facts. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is about your hair oiling mistakes, what normally people do. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Like everyone knows, oiling your hair is good. But have you ever thought about it that how long you're supposed to keep your oil in your hair? So today we will discuss about a lot of facts relating to your hair oiling procedure. You must have heard a lot of times that oil your hair, you'll get thick hair, you'll get beautiful shiny hair. But do you know one thing? When are you supposed to oil your hair? Are you supposed to oil your hair and keep the oil overnight in your hair? What is the duration of application of oil? How long are you supposed to leave it into your hair? Usually everyone just applies oil in the night and they keep it for overnight. But do you actually realize uh, when you actually sleep, the pillow that you use contains some amount of dust into it? Yes, it has dust into it. You clean it how much ever you want, you keep it how clean you want it. There are some kind of dust over there. Yeah, your blanket, what you use in the night, has some amount of dust into it. So basically what happens is when you apply oil, the dust gets into your cuticles, in between of your cuticles, and it will just not allow the cuticles to close down. So what is a cuticle? So basically when you take your hair strand, there are cuticles this way, there are layers in that, and what happens is when you're moist in that, it opens up this way. So when it is opening up this way in the night, just imagine how much are you going to damage them in your sleep. So basically what happens is when you oil your hair, you are not supposed to keep it overnight, right? But frankly speaking, according to the cosmetology standards, it is not at all recommended to keep oil overnight. So why is that? So now the question is, why are you not supposed to apply oil overnight? So basically, the main reason is when you apply oil in the night and you sleep, we need to understand one thing, that when you apply oil, it's giving some kind of a moisture to the hair. Okay, so when moisture is given to your hair and you have applied oil, your cuticles open. So once your cuticles are open, what happens? The dust particles what are there on our pillow and blanket gets into the cuticles over there. As the cuticle has some kind of a dust in that, you have oil also in that. So that becomes hard, and then when you're sleeping all night, you are actually damaging your hair. So this is what happens with the hair follicle. There is some amount of oil already given to your hair by your body. So when you apply extra oil, it gives you a problem. Tell me one thing. Let's assume there's a plant. You give the plant more water than what it requires, it will die, right? And if you don't give it water, it will still die, right? So that is what happens with the hair. If you give it more oil than it's required, you'll start having hair fall. And if you give it less oil than it's required, you'll face dryness, you'll face hair breakages. So oil is very important for your hair. But this is the right proportion how you're supposed to do it. So basically you're just supposed to apply oil 60 to 90 minutes before your shower. That is how the best result is shown of oil, because when we have some amount of oil already given to our hair and we are putting just extra oil to fulfill the need. So this is it guys. If you found this information a little bit also useful, kindly leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be updated for our latest videos. Kindly share it with your family and friends and leave us a comment that what do you think about it. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye.